Once you shoot the rocket, you'll notice that there are a lot of forces acting on it, making the rocket to travel in a parabolic path. Hence, the name of this motion is called parabolic. Luckily for us, there are some formulae that can help us calculate how far the rocket will get. And since we want our rocket to get the farthest, we may be able to modify some things to do so. First, we can see the initial velocity can be represented by a diagonal, and it has an angle we can call theta. Then, with this, we can say that the velocity has a vertical component, how fast it will go upwards, and a horizontal component, how fast it will go sideways. And we know that Vx is V0 times the cosine of theta, and Vy is V0 times the sine of theta. We can do a couple of examples to see how the angle affects. Let's pretend the initial velocity is 50 meters per second, and the angle of our rocket is 30 degrees. Then the velocity next is 43 times 3 meters per second, and Vy is 25 meters per second. Then we change the angle to 45, and now we can see the velocity next is 35.35 degrees, and in y is the same. If we compare what happens to the velocities, we can see that the lowest the angle, the fastest it will go to the side, and the larger the angle sets, it will go slower to the side, but faster upwards. There are other factors that we can also consider, like gravity. Gravity will determine how long the projectile will be in the air. In our examples, we can get that Vy is g times t, where g is the gravity and t is the time. We simplify, g is 10 meters per square per second square. With the first angle, we can calculate that t, which is how long it will take the rocket to reach its highest point, and it gives us 2.5 seconds. And to hit the ground, it will take the rocket the same time. So we double our results. And to calculate how far it will get, we use delta x equals Vx times t. With the first angle, we get 216 minutes, and with the second, 248 meters. Remember, there are other factors you should also consider, like wind resistance, aerodynamics, etc.